Welcome to One Point Japanese. Today's Japanese lesson, grammar. This channel helps you learn basic Japanese step by step. Today's grammar is from JLPT N5. Today's grammar is 方がいいです。ない方がいいです。方がいいです means should do something. Let's practice with questions and answers. You can use 方がいいです to give advice. Example 1. Question. もっと勉強した方がいいですか? Should I study more? Answer. はい、した方がいいです。Yes, you should. Example 2. Question. 早く寝た方がいいですか? Should I go to bed early? Answer. はい、寝た方がいいです。Yes, you should. Example 3. Question. この薬を飲んだ方がいいですか? Should I take this medicine? Answer. はい、飲んだ方がいいです。Yes, you should take it. Today's grammar was 方がいいです。Thank you for studying Japanese with us. We upload new videos every Saturday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. See you in the next lesson.